Gardinero.
Hi, I am El Gardinero, and this is the fourth video of the introduction to soil science. Soil is a natural resource. As mentioned in my previous video, once the soil is lost, then it's gone. In the Philippines, we have a total land area of 30 million hectares, and 17 million hectares is devoted to forest, 13 million hectares for agricultural land. But to date, there is a change in terms of the total area covered by forest and the area covered by agriculture. As population continues to increase, then food production should also be increased. That entitles us to widen our production areas. So we can encroach the forest as an additional area for production, and also because we need residential areas, it might also decrease the area devoted to agriculture. This picture below is a forest. It is not yet intruded by human activities. And another picture below is taken in a vegetable farm in Atok, Benguet in the Philippines. And as you can see, it is a sloping area, and we can predict that maybe 40 to 50 years ago, this is a forest. But because the population continues to grow, the demand for food continues to increase, so that the forest is also being converted into an agricultural land. Is soil important? So that's a very nice question to answer. And in my next slide, we will talk about the function of soil in our ecosystem. Being an agriculturist, soil is very important because it is a medium for plant growth. It is where we produce our crops. The picture below is a cabbage that is planted in a soil. And the other functions, like soil properties control the fate of water in the hydrologic system, this will be emphasized in chapter 6. Now, soil can be habitat for organisms, both the microorganisms and the mesoorganisms or the macroorganisms that are dwelling in our soil. For engineers, they look at soil as a foundation materials for engineering works. For instance, they will build infrastructure such as buildings and residential houses. The foundation of their construction is grounded in our soil. Also, soil can be recycler of new materials. So plants and animals die, and after they die, they will be decomposed, and the decomposition happens in our soil. If these decomposed plant and animal remains are incorporated to the soil, they will become new materials, which we will learn in chapter 5.
Gardinero.